going on, folks? Alright, moving picker, I'm back. Gonna see about knocking out a challenge lock or two. Depends on how many I feel like. Yeah, new camera position because I just don't like the other one and other reasons, so we're gonna see what we can do about this. Alright, and you guys will be seeing this holder going to someone else. I won't tell who, because he doesn't know he's quite getting it yet. Alright. There's the key. This one is a Den brass. And this one was sent to me by Steel Pinnings. So we'll see what we can do about getting into it. Normally I wouldn't have changed my camera angle, but things have happened and I kind of needed to. That's about all I'll say on that one. Alright, and of course I have nothing ready because I wasn't really planning on this. We'll go that with a short multi-pick hook. And we'll see what kind of damage we can do here. For the viewers I have that aren't in the Discord, that is in the description below. Come join us. Till I get back in the groove, I'm normally try to add people's channels into the description and into the add cards into the video. I'm gonna be honest, I am gonna be so lazy and I'm not gonna do that. I will add them into the description, but I'm just not gonna take the time to do the cards. I don't have a whole lot of time, and I'm just right now I've got everything shut down in order to do some picking. Because normally I don't even shut the printer down anymore. It's actually the biggest reason why I don't do picking on camera. Between that and not having any time. So far it looks like I'm gonna make a fool of myself on this one. Let's see. We'll go after the short hook first. Nope. No. Can anyone tell I'm a bit rusty on picking? Come on. There. Had to drop pretty much everything, but I finally got that one set. Yeah, my fat hands are in the way. Alright, I don't know what's holding us up here. I need something a bit taller. Or I need better picking skills. One of the two. Probably say I need better skills. There we go. Only went through most of my picks, but I got it. Let's see. Oh, 8 minutes. I probably rambled on for about a minute or two. Alright, get that heavy beast out of the way. And I'm going to take just a second. I've got a live stream I'm waiting on to start. Okay, that hurt. Alright, we're gonna lock this back up. Come on. There we go. Huh. Okay. I am bleeding all over the place here. Still, whatever. Alright. I know someone's going to complain in the comments that I took the lock out of frame. Probably I've gone out of frame a couple of times, to be honest, because I just realized I didn't zoom out. Alright. Let's pull you guys back a bit. Alright, I'm trying not to bleed all over this lock anymore. No diseases, but still, I'm not going to pass a lock on to someone that I've bled all over. Good looking pins. Looks like everything is undercut. Pick. One of the picks I should have gone after. Alright. Yep, everything is undercut there. Alright, I saw how that one came out. Oh, pin and pin. Oh wow, okay. That's a different one than I've seen before. Alright, I am not going to pull the springs out just because it's not easy to do with a punctured finger. Yep. Nice hole. Wonderful screwdriver. Alright, let's see if... Come on. Alright, let me stand up. Come on. There we go. And there's the pins. And that one goes all the way through. Alright folks, I'm going to upload this one and see if I can get my finger patched up, and might do another one or two before I turn my printer back on. See ya.